This is a quick video telling you how to raise the handlebars on the bike. So if you have a bike and you want to raise the handlebars, there are a few different options. I've done a few different things to this particular bike. So one of the easier things you can do is swap the handlebars. So this one came with flat bars, and I went ahead and got some bars that raised up a little bit to modify it. The only challenge there is you want to make sure you have enough cable. This one has hydraulic disc brakes, so it'd be a real pain to put longer cables on it, but it has enough room for some flex. Then you can also see on this bike that it has an adjustable stem. So another thing you can get is an adjustable stem like this. And I'll put some links in the description of things like this. So this adjustable stem goes on there, and then you can unhook this bolt right here and raise it up or put it down and find the exact right position. You can see here, this is that angle there. It can go from down here up to here, maybe even a little higher. So that's another option, is the adjustable rotating stem. And then another thing people do is right here where it clamps onto the fork, you can buy an extender. So what this does is you put it in there, and then that moves this part up this much higher. So it just goes in there, clamps on the same way as this, and then raises you up like 3 or 4 inches or however tall that is. And it's got these stackers on it so you can fine tune it as well. The only thing with all of these is you got to make sure you buy the right size. So different handlebar thicknesses here, and there's different thicknesses here. So you want to just make absolutely sure before you buy a part that you measure it and buy the exact right one. I'll put some links in the description and you can take it from here.
Here's a before and after if you're going to raise the stem up with that extender I showed you earlier. So that's the original position, and then if I put the extender on there, you can see I'm a big tall biker now. It's way up in the sky. I don't know if I wanted to necessarily go that high. You can cut it down and use those spacers to make it less high if you wanted to with these things. Okay, and then the easiest thing you can do if you don't want to remove handlebars or remove cables around is these bar end grips. So you can see when I'm riding and I don't need my hands on the handlebars, I can put my hands up on those things. So that's the easiest thing to do if you want a high position and don't want to move things around.